what you have done, so you have launched the Jupyter Notebook, right? By using Anaconda Navigator, you have been launched the Jupyter Notebook. It will be opened some of the web page we have in our thing. Okay, I will close all of them, unnecessary one. I just have a Jupyter Notebook now. Now in this Jupyter Notebook, what are the things we can do? First, we need to create one folder exclusively for the Python learning. Okay, I suggest you to create one folder which is exclusively to for a Python learning. Okay, that will be easy way to search for your folder. Okay, once you launch, then here we have a new. Okay, if I zoom that, on the right top corner we have a new option. Okay, you can click on that new. You can click on that new and select a folder. First we need to create a folder, right? So select the folder. Once you selected a folder, it will create a folder here. Okay, it created a folder. The folder name will be untitled. Okay, there will be a folder called as a untitled folder here. Untitled folder. I need to rename that folder, right? By default, it will be untitled or not named folder only. So select that folder, untitled folder. Select that here. Okay, left side we have a box where we can select that. Okay, once you selected, scroll to the top. I have so many folders, so that I need to scroll to top, and here we have a rename option. Here we have a rename option. Select that rename. I say Finaculo Focus. Okay, I given some name. Okay, what I will do, I will not give any hyphen and all. It will not be good way of writing any folder name. We'll give the underscore. Always in a programming language, better to give the underscore or without any space. If you create, that will be better for a future reference purpose also. Once you have been created, given a name, say rename. The rename has been happened, Finaculo Focus. Okay, if you click on now, don't select now. If you click on that, okay, if you click on that name, we will go inside that particular folder. Okay, we are going inside that particular folder. Okay, once folder will be empty. First time when you created a folder will be empty. Now I need to start with some programming. Okay, I need to start with the learning a basics about a Python. So what I will do, I will create one Python file. How to create a Python file? Again, we have to go to new, here, new Python. We have to select. It may be Python 3, Python 3.5, like this. It will be name will be there. Okay, we have to select a Python here. Okay, whatever it is there, not a folder again. If you select a folder again, one more folder will be created within that. So I will say Python 3. So I just want to learn a Python basic, so I say Python 3. Okay, the one more page will be open where your Python file has been taken. Okay, this is a Jupyter file you have. Here few things you have in a Jupyter file. That is nothing but your name of the file. It is untitled now. You can see your here also it says untitled. So I need to change the name. How to change the name? Just click on that untitled, rename it. Like I say Python, okay, underscore basics. Okay, rename. Okay, once you have been given a name to that particular folder, here also it will appear. Okay, then few things we have. Main thing, this for the running a command. Okay, this for the adding some cells. Okay, here on left hand side we have this to save the file, this to add some more like line of commands. To cut anything we use this one most of the time. To take it top, okay, take it bottom, to arrange rearrange we use this one. Run to run that particular command. Okay, there are many other type of this, a pause. Okay, to interrupt the kernel. Kernel is nothing but the interpreter. Okay, when you are running a program, okay, there will be a kernel will be running. Okay, that kernel running things, I just want to stop means I will go to kernel and I say interrupt means I will stop, means I will block. Restart means it stop and start it again. Restart and clear output means we'll start it again, but previous output will be deleted. Restart and run all means it will restart and run all the commands one by one. Okay, reconnect means sometimes it will be disconnected. Okay, now it is a trusted, it is connected. Sometimes it comes that not trusted, disconnected, like this it will come, will be there means we are not connected to the interpreter. So what we need to do, we need to connect them, reconnect. Okay, shutdown means it will close. Okay, we can change the kernel means python 3 to html, like this we can change also. But now we need to know this one, kernel. Okay, how to use a kernel and all. Insert and all same thing, this one. Okay, cell and all the same, this one running a cell above below. Okay, this one only. View again to toggle handler and all. These are the basics we need to know. Okay, then we will come to know about this particular section, like what you mean by markdown, what you mean by code. Okay, what you mean by heading. These things we will come to know in coming sessions when we start with the python. First we need to create one python file, and we need to rename, and we need to know how these cells are inserted, means these are the line of codes. Okay, just I'll show one line of code. Print, previously also I showed, right? Print, I say here, open the bracket, then I say in a quote, welcome to Finacular Focus. Okay, to execute any line of code, we have to select and we have to say run. Shortcut also there, I will teach you that shortcut also. Just the basic thing, like it says the your output will be welcome to Pinacular Focus, because this is what I wanted to print. That will be printed, that will be output will be shown there itself. This is the interpreter. In case any error is there, it will show here. It means end of logic means this particular thing you opened with a quotation but not closed with a quotation. This is how these errors and all. Okay, what are the different types of errors comes in python programming while you're writing a program. These things and all we will learn in a coming sessions.